Welcome to the Solana Token Snapshot Tool. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to take a snapshot of your Solana token holders. Let's get started. First, connect your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. This step is crucial as it allows the platform to access your wallet and verify your token holdings. Next, select the token for which you want to take a snapshot. Click on the token address input field and choose your token from the drop-down list. Make sure you select the correct token, as this will determine which token holders will be captured. Now, click on the Take Snapshot button to initiate the snapshot process. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Carefully review the details, including the total fees and the amount of SOL required. Once you confirm the transaction, the process will begin. You'll see a processing message on the screen. This might take a few moments. The platform is now capturing the snapshot of the token holders on the Solana blockchain. After confirming the transaction, a Download Snapshot button will appear. Click on Download Holders Snapshot File to begin downloading the snapshot. This file will contain a list of token holders along with their token amounts. Congratulations! The snapshot has been successfully taken. You can now download the snapshot file, which includes the list of token holders and their respective balances. Thank you for using the Solana Token Snapshot Tool. For more detailed instructions, check out our blog post and documentation.